Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, beautiful silver jari work, 3D type butta design sarees, an excellent color combination, a pinkish red color pallu with silver jari work. The butta design is given in the pallu also, 3D work, and we have same blouse piece, pallu color, contrast one for the body. And body is a very vibrant, radiant green color, almost fluorescent green, excellent combo. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard. Aravatam is weaving buttas, very big and beautiful. 3D work. You can see the closer view. It looks very beautiful, and it is a completely handloom weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, Aravatam design, 3D concept buttas. Here we have a very beautiful dual tone color. Rama green is mixed with copper sulphate blue to get a beautiful tone. It is elegant dual tone color. And we have the copper jari mixed with silver to get a light and beautiful copper tone buttas. In 3D type it is. You can see the closer view. Very elegantly it's done. Completely handcrafted and borderless concept. And we have a dark Ananda blue color. Pallu also have the same zari tone. We have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent and different exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, a beautiful and trending rangoli pattern, a very elegant color combination too. Here we have almost turquoise shade, green color, light sea blue also we can tell this color, aqua color, and we have a very beautiful rangoli pattern, column design buttas. Buttas are done using copper and silver mixed jari work. Very elegant buttas, borderless concept, and we have a contrast pallu, a light pink color. The pink is almost a baby pink shade with the same zari tone color, fully weaved in the pallu, a zigzag pattern, and pallu color blouse piece. Very beautiful combo it is, a pastel combo, completely handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, silver jari work, beautiful combination color here, a black beautiful saree, inchit black color, complete saree is in black, and you can see the buttas, silver jari buttas are dazzling on black, very beautifully done, 3D type buttas, Aravatam design, borderless concept, and you can see a very contrast, a dark red, a maroonish red color pallu with horizontal weaving design, silver jari used for the weaving with a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already beautifully made here. The combination is very beautiful for the black lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection in a very elegant 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design, rangoli traditional pattern design. Here we have a column pattern done using copper and silver mixed jari work. Beautiful tone of zari, elegantly done on a light pink base color, a sweet pink it is, beautiful color. And the rangoli design is also very fast moving, beautiful color, fine design, and it's finely handcrafted too with a very elegant different color for the pallu. It is a turquoise green with mild dark shade mix, and you can see the same tone for the pallu also, a zigzag weaving pattern with plain blouse piece. Combination is different, very rare combo, completely handcrafted with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful and most demanded rangoli design sarees, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas in a copper zari. Here we have a beautiful rangoli column design, very beautiful one on peach base color, a borderless concept. You can see the butta weaving, a beautiful workmanship, excellently hand woven, and we have a very contrast, a pink and lavender mixed color pallu, a pastel shade for the pallu with zigzag lines design in copper zari, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful in a pastel shade, completely hand woven with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful borderless collection, copper jari work, Aravatam, very beautiful sarees here with a very excellent combo. Blue saree It's a very different, beautiful blue, mild color, blue along without green mix. And you can see the beautiful buttas, Rangoli design, kolam, excellently done using copper and silver zari mixed color. That is the copper original used here. You can see the 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design, beautiful buttas on the very excellent color. And we have a very contrast magenta pink color pallu. Pallu also have very grand work, Aravatam design. You can see the clarity of the weaving, and we have plain blouse piece. And the pallu tassels are already made. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design, beautiful traditional Rangoli pattern, elegantly crafted beautiful design buttas on a pastel saree color, light brown. It is almost half white with mild brown tinge. Very elegantly it's done using copper and silver zari. You can see the back portion of the buttas. Very beautifully it's done. A handcrafted elegant collection with the borderless concept, and we have a contrast pallu. Here we have a dark turquoise green mixed shade color with the same tone of zari used, that is the copper and silver mix. Excellent Rangoli pattern, beautiful buttas, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. Handcrafted elegant design with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very elegant, vibrant combination colors, sarees with copper zari work. A very beautiful grey and brown mixed color pallu, copper and silver zari mixed work in the zari, and we have same color blouse piece. 3D type concept weaving, 240 jacquard, elegant Aravatam design buttas in copper. Copper is trending now and it's being used in these buttas. And we have a very beautiful sea green and blue mixed color saree. Saree color is also very rare and beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful 3D design butta collection in silver zari with a vibrant, alluring combination. A radiant green color pallu, light green with beautiful butta design work. Completely Aravatam used here for the pallu also. Beautiful work. Same color blouse piece, plain one. Contrast one for the body. The body is in borderless concept. A very beautiful navy blue color, a black mixed blue. Excellent color, and the buttas are very visible on this dark base. 3D type 240 jacquard Aravatam design buttas. You can see the butta clarity. Very beautiful one. Silver zari used, and the saree is completely handcrafted. Very finely crafted premium soft silk saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection. A 240 jacquard weaving Aravatam design buttas. 3D type. Very excellent design. Dark base color, navy blue and purple is mixed to get a beautiful dark purple color. Very elegant one with copper and silver mixed zari work. Original copper is mixed with normal silver zari to get a beautiful color tone for the zari. And 3D type circle pattern is weave. Very elegant one, completely handcrafted with a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone. Beautiful weaving in the pallu. Grand one with same color, plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, dark combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful Rangoli design sarees, borderless concept, the most demanded, ever wanted pattern, Rangoli. 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas in copper zari finish. Very beautiful one, the Rangoli kolam pattern. Borderless, and the saree color is a pinkish lavender, pink with mild lavender tinge. It's very beautiful pastel shade, and to the contrast we have a pallu in green combination. There is also a glossy green, very different color, mild blue mixed green color with same color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are very beautifully made already. The combination is unique with authentic silk, completely hand woven saree. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful copper zari work sarees in 240 jacquard weaving, big butta design, borderless concept. A green saree, leaf green color, beautiful combo. And you can see the copper zari, original copper is mixed with gold to get a beautiful shade. Buttas, elegantly weaved with 3D type buttas in 240 jacquard weaving, and we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a cream color, half white cream with horizontal weaving, gold and copper mixed zari work, and we have plain blouse piece. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. A very beautiful borderless collection, 3D type concept. Copper zari work here, copper and silver mixed here. We use dull copper. Beautiful collection. You can see the original copper version. 3D type buttas, and the saree color is a pastel green color. The pista green is mixed with mild yellow color, which gives a beautiful glaze, a glowy saree, beautiful pastel shade with a pastel color pallu, a sandy half white color. The zari work even here is same copper zari. Horizontal weaving, very rich, and we have a plain blouse piece. Beautiful pastel color saree, very different color. Best one for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection. Beautiful color combination. Excellent red pallu here. Bright chilli red color with silver zari work, and it is dazzling on the pallu color. Aravatam design, very clear with plain blouse piece in pallu color. And we have a very different blue, mild color blue color, that is the peacock neck blue without green mix. An elegant combination for the red. And you can see the 240 jacquard weaving thick designing buttas, very elegantly weaved, excellent 3D type work. And the saree is premium handcrafted saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, silver zari work, excellent design sarees, dark blue color, deep blue, something between navy and royal blue color. You can see the 3D type buttas and 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful silver zari work, borderless concept, and we have a very different brick red color pallu. Pallu also have horizontal weaving design, a rich one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Very contrast and beautiful combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection, very beautiful, trendy design buttas. Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving buttas. Very excellently done using copper and silver mixed zari work. The color of the saree is also a very beautiful color. Magenta pink and black mixed color, real tone. Here we have the copper zari and silver zari mixed work. You can see pure copper and silk silver is used here. Elegant color. You can see the magenta pink glow on the saree. Very beautiful one, dark shade with a very contrast orange color pallu. Pallu also have beautiful work. Copper is used for the pallu weaving as well. Horizontal weaving design, and we have a plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection with beautiful copper zari buttas. Very elegant combo. Beautiful red saree with the darker shade red. Beautiful color, hot, sweet color with copper zari finish buttas. Original copper and silkwas zari is used to get a beautiful light copper color, and it is a excellent Aravatam design buttas. 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, beautifully done with a borderless concept, a perfectly handmade saree with a very different light orange color. Pallu also have beautiful work. Copper used in the pallu designing as well with plain blouse piece. Combination is very different with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection, very beautiful Aravatam design. 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful design buttas. Excellent pastel shade saree here. Light peach and gold mixed color. Fine and light pastel color. Beautiful design, 3D type buttas. Buttas are done using copper and silver mixed zari here. Original copper is used. Fine and beautiful handloom saree, pastel shade with a pastel color pallu itself. Orange in a pastel shade, and we have a horizontal weaving design in the same copper and silver zari work, and we have a plain blouse piece. An excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double vargu. Borderless collection. Very beautiful combination here. Excellent pink shade, onion peel pink shade color. Very elegant one with 3D type buttas, big size, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas. And it is done using copper and silver mixed zari work. Original copper used here. Finely hand weaved saree elegant one, completely a borderless concept with a dark navy blue color pallu. Pallu also have a beautiful horizontal weaving, rich design, completely done using copper and silver mixed jari, and we have a plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent combo with authentic silk.